Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can add photos to album in iPhone. So let's go to photos. So choose a photo you want to add in album. Just click and hold for 1 second and you will find this pop-up here, and you can see add to album. Just click on this. Now name your album here. My new album. Save. Your photo is added to the album. So if you want to add another photo in the same album, just choose, hold, and for 1 second, click and hold, and you will find add to album. Now find that album you want to add it. This one. Your photo is added to the album. So guys, this is how you can add photos to album in iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.